Hey, everyone! Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Android 16 and its arrival on the Fairphone 6. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another Android update? But this one's a bit different. Let's break it down and see what makes it stand out. First off, the Fairphone 6 is getting a fresh coat of Android 16, and it's rolling out faster than expected. The original release date was April 2026, but the Fairphone team has beaten their own timeline. This is great news for Fairphone 6 owners, but it's also a sign of the company's commitment to delivering timely updates. I think this is a huge deal because it shows that Fairphone is dedicated to keeping their devices up to date and secure. Now, let's talk about the features. Android 16 brings a whole host of improvements, but the one that immediately caught my eye is the digital well-being focus. It's all about managing those persistent alerts and making sure your phone doesn't become a nuisance. The Force Group Notifications feature is a game changer, allowing you to collapse multiple pings from the same app into a single, manageable line. And the notification cooldown system is a clever way to prevent those high-frequency notification bursts from overwhelming you. Another cool addition is the ability to map a double press of the power button to Google Wallet. This is a handy shortcut that's similar to what you see on Pixel and Galaxy devices. It's a small but significant improvement that makes your phone feel more intuitive and user-friendly. On the personalization front, Android 16 introduces 7 new Unicode 16.0 emojis, which is always a welcome addition. And the system-wide overrides for measurement units are a great way to ensure users can set their preferred scales, regardless of regional defaults. This level of customization is something I appreciate, as it gives users more control over their device experience. Security and accessibility have also seen some meaningful improvements. The OS now blocks sideloading apps or modifying sensitive accessibility permissions while a phone call is active, which is a smart move to combat social engineering and phishing scams. And the outline text feature adds a high-contrast border around characters, making the UI more legible and accessible. Now, one thing that's a bit curious is the lack of mention of visual element updates based on Material 3 Expressive. It's possible that this release is based on a pre-QPR1 build, but it's still a bit of a mystery. I'm curious to see if Fairphone will clarify this in the future. In conclusion, Android 16 for the Fairphone 6 is a significant update that brings a range of improvements, from digital well-being to security and accessibility. It's a testament to Fairphone's commitment to delivering a great user experience. So, if you're a Fairphone 6 owner, keep an eye out for this update and enjoy the enhanced features. What do you think about Android 16? Let me know in the comments below.